Hello everyone, welcome to StudyIQ IS English channel. My name is Shubham Sagar and today I will tell you a story which will inspire you to do better in your UPSC journey so that you can learn from, some of our mistakes. And there is one friend of mine who got ranked lesser than 100 and what happened. So let me tell you a story. So my name is Shubham Sagar. This is my UPSC pre-2018 mark sheet and I wrote UPSC mains of that particular year. You can know more about me. I did, prelims crash course intro video. There also I have told you who am I, how many of my students have cleared UPSC or state PSC exams. So you can get all those things. I'm not here for that particular purpose. I'm here to tell you what is one single thing which can make or break your UPSC dream. If you don't do that, forget about clearing UPSC CSE. I cannot sugarcoat things, right? That is not our work. Our work is to ensure that you clear this particular exam, one of the toughest exam in the world. And we have to be sometimes brutally honest. And this is that video. So this is my 2019 mark sheet. Again, I wrote UPSC mains of that year. My optional was history. And at that time, I was working, family was not in a good condition. We had some education loan, etc. We had to pay for that. And at the same time, I was preparing. And optional was history. I did not take any classes. And then I started following multiple classes, this and that, which was there. Then I met a girl when I was writing one of these mains. I will tell you about her. She got ranked lesser than 100. Her optional was also history. I will show you her mark sheet. And she was just following one source. She has left her, she was an engineering student, obviously, not obviously, but yes, many engineering people, they clear UPSC, but yes, other people also clear it. So she has left her job. Her family has given her 1 year ultimatum. If she doesn't clear it, she will be getting married. And she was facing enormous pressure, enormous time constraints. She just followed one source for optional. And then she kept on sending her mark sheet, answers to me after the mains was done. How is this answer sheet? I was like, I made flow chart, diagram, this and that, and in my mains answer, but I was not able to complete many questions in optional as well as GS. And she was like, I was able to complete all my paper, but I was not able to make these diagram, flow chart, etc. Now, let me show you my mark sheet for optional. This is, and I cannot show everything, this is one of those years where my optional was history. See this marks, 114 in paper 1, 119 in paper 2. Not many people will show you their failure. I'm showing you that. So 233 marks, very average marks in history. And she also had history. This is her marks. 150, 140. If you Google, you will find her name and everything. And very good person. And she cleared prelims by whisker and 1 or 2 marks or something. And she was so tense. I know that because I had an interaction with her. But she followed just one source. I followed multiple sources. She had time constraint. I was comparatively freer, although money was an issue for both of us. But yes, she got 290 marks, rank lesser than 100, which is actually a big achievement when it comes to history optional. It's not like PSIR or sociology or anthropology, which is an evergreen optional and you get good marks. So getting 290 marks in history optional is awesome. So hope up until now you would have understood what is one single most important thing which can make or break your UPSC dream, your optional. You have to prepare your optional irrespective of whether you are preparing for UPSC 26, 27 or 28. You have to do it multiple number of times. Let's say you're preparing for 2026, you have to complete your optional by 2026. You should have 2 files, paper 1, paper 2 file, proper notes of that. Follow one particular source, follow it diligently, do it for, and same for 27, 28. Do multiple revision. Your 500 marks will give you rank, sir and ma'am. Please don't ignore your optional. Your optional will make or break your UPSC dream. You will realize it. Many people who have given mains, they know what I'm talking about, how important UPSC optional is, and also how important it is to focus on one particular source. You cannot run here and there. You cannot run after multiple sources. So and you can write in your comment section, what is your optional? How prepared are you when it comes to your optional? If you're not prepared enough, let's say by January 2026 your optional is not prepared, don't waste that attempt. You will not be able to do much in the 3 months gap between pre and mains. Whatever you have to do it right now, be it for 26, 27 or 28. Please complete your optional. Let's say you are facing any issue right now in optional, you can go to StudyIQ.com, you can go to UPSC optional, you can see different kind of optionals run by our awesome faculties like Shashank Tyagi sir, he's taking PSIR, Divakar Bhutra sir, he's taking sociology, Bhuvan sir, QT Pi, so geography, history, Sanil sir, psychology, Sanket Jain sir. So based on what optional you have, you can choose any of these courses, and you can use my code SHS Live. You will get maximum discount if you're doing it on your own and your optional is going awesome. But if you have even 5-10% of doubt in your optional preparation, please join any of these courses. Let's say I take any course. Let's say I take Shashank Tyagi course, Tyagi sir course, and this course is, as 24,999 prices will increase after 31st. So there are two different variants based on what you want, what you don't want. There is a number also which you can call if you have any query, 76400300. So let's say you want to buy Platinum 24,999. If you apply my promo code, you will get 7,000 discount. 17,999. This gold will become 12,999. Validity Platinum is for 2.5 years. Gold 1 year 6 months. Because most of these optional, PSIR is somewhat dynamic, but most of this optional, like my history optional or maths optional, they are more or less static. So if you have, let's say, 2.5 year validity, that is actually good. God forbid if you're not able to clear it in 26, you will still be able to access these courses. So again, and if you have any queries, call on that number. Please don't discard your optional. Please don't feel like most of the students I have, talked to, they're like, once I will clear my pre, then I will focus on mains. Then it will become a 5-year plan for you. Please don't do that. So hope you understood what is the most important thing which can make or break your UPSC preparation. You can post in the comment section what is your optional and how is your optional preparation going on. Theek hai? So that's it from me. Take care. Be blessed. I will see you soon.